Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I've been away for quite a long time. Yeah, I know, and I know some of us have been wondering, where has she been? You know, we can't get any cocktail recipe. Well, I'm here to tell you what I've been up to as I unbox my Gourmia air fryer, 7-quart air fryer. So I'll just take you guys through what I've been doing while I've been away, and actually why I have been away as I unbox this air fryer. Okay, we have our scissors here, so we're just going to open this. This has been on this table for some days now. I've really not been interested in, or rather really not have the time. So where have I been? You know, what have I been up to? So guys, in the US, and guess what? I'm in grad school, right? So at the beginning of this year, I didn't know. I planned. So it was last year I started making moves to, you know, come to grad school. So funny story, I go to work sometime October 2022, and I get pissed off by someone at work, and going back home I'm just like, I was at a point in my life where I was kind of tired of everything that was happening around me. I just needed a break. I just needed, you know, some space, a new environment. And I've been considering grad school for a while, to be honest. But because other things came up, and then we kept pushing it, I kept pushing it to the side. But finally in October, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to apply. And then the journey started. October 2022, it was so bad that I just wanted to get out, and my plan was actually to resume grad school in January. Yeah, I had 3 months to plan, submitted all my applications. Unfortunately, I got admitted in all of the schools that I applied to. But I realized that January was not feasible for me, because I had to do a lot of planning. I had to decide if I was mentally, you know, ready to take that leap, being that I've been away from school for years. If you've known me, I've actually had my undergrad degree sometime in 2008, and so this is how many years? 14 years later, I decide I'm going to grad school. So in between, I had taken several courses, gotten several certifications, but you know, it's never enough. You just feel there's more for me to give, there's more that I need to know. I just got to that stage where I wanted to. So yes, I'm in the US, and it's been very, very hectic. Like, I have been super busy, difficult to keep in. The first few weeks I had to struggle with, let's unbox this, because I'm just talking and I'm not doing anything. So the first 2 weeks I had to struggle with, you know, the culture shock. Because somehow I just felt, oh, you know, the UK and the US would have some similarities, right? Boy, was I shocked when I got here from the airport. From the airport, you know, down to every other. In fact, up till now, I'm still receiving various kinds of shock. So that's why I've been unable to post cocktail videos, right? But because of course I do not have my tools here, I was able to get some glassware, but I've been busy. I need to figure out editing the videos and making out time, because I didn't want to come and not be consistent. So I need to plan myself. So that meant that I had to sort myself out in school, see how I can then bring this in. And thankfully, I think I have gotten to the point where I can begin to start making videos here and there. Then I was also thinking, another thing I was thinking was I wanted something more practical, right? To see if I can incorporate my daily life as a grad student, an international grad student in the US, what it looks like. But because my audience is different, I do not know what you guys want to see. So I have another channel where I plan to post videos relating to grad school, how I got in, steps I had to take, and life in general here. And trust me, there are lots of things that I can actually share. So if you're interested, drop a comment and maybe I'll start making such kinds of video. Anyway, that's about that. So let's just go to the unboxing. So here we have this. This is a bit heavy, so I think that's just about it here. And then I have my this has to be the recipe book and the user manual. Okay, let's see what we have here. It's just a few notes. So this note says, during the first few uses, there might be a hot plastic smell. This is perfectly normal in new air fryers. As the material is being heated for the first time, it will go away after a few uses. One tip I can leave is to always wash your tray before first use, and just give the machine a little wipe down before you use it for the first time. So I'll just keep this away. Then let us see. One thing I really like is the design of this air fryer. So yes, we're going to get this wrap off. Bulky. And then I'm just going to take this off the tray. I'm going to open it here and give the tray a wash before I use it. So in the tray, we have the wrap. There's another wrap. I wonder why. Let's see. I thought it was supposed to have like a top wrap. Okay. Alright, let's quickly wash this and test it. So I'm just going to put this away. So let's take this, put it over here, and then let's quickly give it a wipe down. Want it too close to the stove. So there's a vent here. I don't know if you can see. So you have to make sure that the air fryer has enough space at the back to let out air. Okay. So let's quickly give this a wash. Now this is clean and dry. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take wet wipe and wipe it down. Around. Okay. So now that we have our tray and rack dry, I've put it back in the air fryer. So next thing I'm going to do is to go on and plug my air fryer. Once you plug it, the screen comes on and then you can see the power button. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, and then it has 12 functions. You have the air fry, the fan, fries, wings, bacon, seafood, veggies, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, reheat, and keep warm. Then it also has a turn reminder. Let me move this closer so you can see. Just going to zoom in. Okay. So next I want to make some fries. So I'm just going to use the fries function, then preheat. So I'm just going to go in with some garlic powder, just a little. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of salt. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to sprinkle a bit of oil on it and then I'll give it a good toss. So it's ready for me to add food. So we are going to test our air fryer and see how well it performs. So I'm just going to go in with the wedges. I'll try and spread them out as much as I can. We're gonna close and that's it. So I want to set it to 10 minutes. And the buzzer goes up. Yeah, I got that. Ooh, guys, take a look at this. So I'm just going to give it an additional 2 minutes. Sounds crispy, but not as crispy as I wanted it. Okay guys, I put it in for an additional 2 minutes, making 12 minutes, and here. See how you can hear how crispy it is. This is what it looks like. So it turned out really well for my potatoes. Next,